welcome to my channel all around about decoupage. Hi, I am Veronica and today I'm gonna do a cute Christmas teardrop gnome kinda ornament. Are you ready? Let's get started. First thing, let us do the base of the ornament. So I painted this teardrop plastic ornament twice with white paint. Then I use rice paper from AB Studio. All the links to the materials will be in the description box below. Painting it twice, let it dry between each layer. The gnome images I tear up in few places so it will fit better onto the ornament. Then I applied a little bit of decoupage glue onto the ornament itself. Then I laid down the image on the ornament and glue it with little bit of decoupage glue. I didn't speed up this process because I wanted you to see how it goes, the gluing part. Everything is almost glue and you can see there is a wrinkle about to be shown on the other side of the image, so I cut out a little bit more into the rice paper and then slowly glued it on the ornament. Since this is rice paper, don't worry, you can lift it on even if it's a little bit wet. And carefully rearrange the paper the way there are no wrinkles at all. Then it's time to paint the ornament. Don't be afraid to go into the rice paper itself for better blending. I applied a little bit of, I would say, shade of green onto the ornament, and then with a dabber I applied white on the ornament. After it was all painted, I used glitter decoupage glue. This step is fully optional and you don't have to do it if you don't have glitter decoupage glue. After applying, let it dry and make sure there is no excess of the glue. Now it's time to seal our ornament. I used pouring glaze. Of course, you can use varnish to seal it. I applied 4 layers of the glaze. Let it dry between each layer. The more layers you do, the more glass looking like ornament it will be. On top of the ornament, I use some air drying clay, which I then glued on with express glue from Pentart. After the clay was dry, it was time to paint it. So I use these paints. Of course, you can use whatever paint suits your design. If you don't want to make an ornament, you can go to my Etsy shop and have a look around, and maybe you see something you like there. With white paint and a dabber, you will achieve a snowy look. Let it dry after. Then it's time to seal the clay design. I used matte varnish. If you wanted to be more shiny looking, use glossy varnish. All water-based varnishes. After drying, I applied a little bit of Arctic snow from Stamperia onto the clay design. Then I use a 3D red pen and snow crystal pen for more 3D look on my ornament. Let it dry and you are finished. Easy teardrop ornament. And here it is, all finished, a cute gnome Christmas teardrop ornament. If you like this tutorial, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and tell me in the comments if you do like gnomes. I do like gnomes. My first ever wreath was with gnomes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did like this tutorial. Until next time, bye.